Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, many scams are happening here where people pay some advance money to a contractor and then he vanishes. Sometimes a contractor vanishes while the project is in middle after doing some work. Sometimes it's like so destructive that they, for example, dig uh, the ground and then vanish. I mean, it's very difficult in these situations. Okay. Now, many people seek police assistance, but sadly, in most of the cases, they cannot help because a lot of these come under civil like matters. So people go to court and all such things happen. And many times, like when you pay cash, then there's nothing in most of the cases you can do. So few things you should always do. Always have a written agreement, okay? And first of all, check with whom you are working. Check their feedback. Check if their organization is registered or not, and check how you are paying. For example, I worked with a contractor. He was registered. All the money I paid included taxes. So a lot of people just in the greed of saving taxes, they lose much more than that. So don't do like that. And all the money that I paid, nothing was through cash, so that and I got receipts for all of it. Okay, so that you can even track from court. Now the safest way is to go to a big box like Home Depot, for example. You go and you apply through them. They have some subcontractors who are thoroughly verified, and on top of that, you have the protection of Home Depot. So definitely it's gonna be like lot protected, but still, as I said, do your due diligence, check if the contractor is registered as a company, and check their previous feedback, everything. Okay, you have to do your due diligence. Just don't go by your best guess, or just don't go by the word of the mouth. Okay, and especially when you're picking up contractors from Facebook Marketplace and all, be very careful. You don't know who they really are. Now coming to the contract. So law in many cases what I have seen that people pay too much of money in advance just based on very like one page contract or something. No, you should have a detailed contract. For me, like the quotation code, it was something like this. I'm sharing. Of course, some areas I have removed to show the price. Okay, like square feet and price. See, everything is so detailed. In fact, what materials they are gonna use, see vanity including quartz, everything. So you should have details. And it was a legal basement. Even the brands were specified. Number of coatings, electricals for this 20 pot lights, rough in, everything. See, if anything is extra, that was also mentioned. And there are things like garbage disposal, bin management, total price, and see, I have paid HST also. Timeline also, and most importantly, payment plan. Say this. So I paid just 10% of the deposit, okay, at the beginning. Then whenever they demanded money, I went and checked. Okay, this is done, this is done. And because it was done as a legal basement, I could check the inspection status online too without even bothering those guys. For example, if they say plumbing passed, okay, I can log in online and check. Yeah, is it showing? So these things are very important. Okay. And like it was excellently done in my case, and my contractor was always reachable. So that's how it was done in my case, guys. So always like depending upon your project, these steps could vary, but have it detailed, transparent, and never try to save this 13% and pay 100% extra if your contractor vanishes. Never do that. Okay. Always be careful. If you need a copy of this or something like that I had gone through, just shoot me an email. Like when I say email, not to me, just write down you need in the comments and provide some email or something. I am happy to forward this to you. Thanks for watching this, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.